चलो पीरियोडिक लेबर फोर्स सर्वे होती है सरकार की. Hi guys, my name is Javardhan Singh and that is Rajvardhan Singh, and today we have a very interesting topic at hand. It has got to do with the work culture that modern India is witnessing, and the consequences behind it, and the hustle culture that we've started promoting a lot, where we have started justifying a lot of really bad behavior of our seniors on the pretext of, oh, you can just listen to that because this is what's going to ensure your growth. Oh, you can just listen to that because this is what's going to ensure your bonus. Oh, you can just listen to that because this is going to ensure your eventual rise on the corporate ladder. But today our discussion is going to be a bit informal, and it's going to be a critique, a satirical critique of this new wave that our country is witnessing, and it's across fields. It's prevalent in my legal profession as well. It's prevalent in the consultancy profession as well, and at a lot of places and at a lot of areas, and a lot of places, in a lot of areas, NGOs as well, and in a lot of places in a lot of areas, these things intersect. These
Yeah.
habits intersect and the precedents intersect.
Just
Swaraj.
cut you off for a second. I just want to add that today I was watching a video of a random stress buster exercise that was going on in an office space, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑफिस के लोग ऐसे सारा जहाना हसीनों का दीवाना टाइप किसी गाने पे डांस कर रहे थे, which I think it was endearing, but I think it's important to analyze that what caused that environment to arise. Maybe because a lot of people started experiencing workplace stress. ये सब मतलब मुझे लगता है कार्डियक हेल्थ से भी लिंक्ड है, लोगों की मेंटल हेल्थ से, फिजिकल हेल्थ से इतना डीपली लिंक्ड है. मतलब आई थिंक दैट ये रेलिवेंट इसलिए भी है बिकॉज वी बीन हैविंग ऑल दीज डिस्कशंस अराउंड द कंट्री अबाउट हाउ मेनी आवर्स अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन शुड क्लॉक इन, दैट यू शुड पुट इन 70 hours, 80 hours, 90 hours. But the personal and physical cost that comes with these things also, it's important to have that discussion. I think that's why we started this discussion today. It's on that premise that how important should your professional life be, at what cost and what consequence should it come, and at what point do we start realizing that this is related to all those stories कि 40 साल का बंदा था, बहुत हेल्दी था, सडनली हार्ट अटैक आया.
40 तो
और
तू ऊपर बोल रहा है, 25 26 साल के लौंडे मर रहे हैं आजकल.
yeah, I mean, yeah,
तो
that's just like example. But yeah, so this is a critique of the modern workforce and how tied in we get into our professional identities. So I was just discussing with Jay before we started recording also. It's that there is no possible kind of career satisfaction left anymore that entails less than 80-90 working hours a week. और ये चाहे आपकी एकदम टॉप जॉब्स भी हों, मतलब मे बी वी वुड अज्यूम फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पोजिशन कि एक स्टेट का चीफ सेक्रेटरी या किसी कंपनी का CEO, लाइक मे बी द इंडिया हेड ऑफ लाइक EY और समथिंग, मे बी दीज पीपल आर वेरी हैप्पी पीपल. But if you look at their working hours, the number of calls they have to take, or the amount of gray hair they have,
yeah, it's absolutely insane. So one of my friends, she's working for one of these food delivery platforms. I'm not going to take the name, of course, but she was going absolutely insane. Even on a Saturday, she was getting different calls, like, different type of requests and deliverables that she had to, work on, and then, like, guide the juniors. So it's like in these workforces, what happens is that the more senior you get, your workload also starts
yeah.
increasing. It's not like your workload is decreasing, and they start expect you to do a lot of things beyond your portfolio and beyond your comprehension. And this happens specifically in multinational companies and PSUs as well. So, like, overall the culture across workspaces is going to the dog.
हाँ, ये इंक्रीमेंटल लोड बढ़ता जाता है. लाइक पीपल से दैट there is a perception in India that government jobs are more comfortable, and yes, from a salary and stability view, maybe they are. But I think there would be nobody as overworked as the SP of a district.
See,
I
policing though has always been a work heavy job. There
or
is
like
no
maybe
denying that.
even like district
Hmm.
collectors, or maybe even something conventionally as as not maybe you would not assume that somebody from a PSU would have to work so hard. There's a perception that, you know, these people get their salaries on time and it's very cushy work. But behind the scenes, I think everybody is at that stage in their lives or their professional lives. If you are starting out, you are expected to clock in close to 100 just because you want to impress your seniors. If you are at a managerial sort of level, you are overlooking operations, so there's a lot more incremental load of other people that you're absorbing. तो मतलब मुझे तो लग रहा है कि ये लूज ही है
हाँ हाँ
फ्रॉम अ पर्सनल व्यू.
एग्जैक्टली
अगर आप वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस चाहते हैं तो मैं तो ये मानने लग गया हूँ कि शायद वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता.
बिल्कुल नहीं करता. और मेरे साथ मेरा तो सबसे स्टार्क एक्सपीरियंस ये था कि ये दिस इज बिकम सच अ discussion of taboo that someone was telling me that they wanted a work life balance with, you know, from their senior, and like उसने बस उनकी तरफ देखा, बोला लॉयर का लाइफ होता है क्या? So like, you know, this has been ingrained inside them that they have to work 15 20 hours a day, 30 hours a day, 30 hours a day, 40 hours a day, like, you know, भाई 24 घंटे. मतलब वो घड़ी को अगर रीइन्वेंट करा जा सकता है तो वो घड़ी को रीइन्वेंट कर देंगे. इफ देयर इज अ वे ऑफ इंश्योरिंग दैट द अर्थ टेक्स 380 revolutions, they will try to do that as well so that they can clock in more hours.
Yeah.
Where does it end?
You know,
Where does it end?
I actually know of a few late 20 something year olds who have had cardiac issues in a couple of corporate law firms. Like, I'm saying this because ऐसे multiple stories हैं, जैसे एक नहीं है. This is not a one-off incident. So there's definitely like, चलो मैं समझता हूँ कि आपको एस्पायर करना चाहिए कि आप अपनी हॉबी को, अपने पैशन को मोनेटाइज करके करियर बना लो. But that's not always realistic, right?
That is not.
But the if you flip this whole debate onto its end is कि हर इंसान जिसको अपने इकोनॉमिक मीन्स किसी सेटिस्फैक्ट्री तरीके से अचीव करने हैं, उसको अपने आप को एक मशीन की तरह ओवरवर्क करना पड़ रहा है. सो then my take is just, then let's not have a facade about, you know, work life balance or holistic development and those kind of things. क्योंकि आप एक commodify हो चुके हो आप एक हद तक. जो कॉर्पोरेट्स भी आजकल इंसानों को मैसेज देती हैं कि आप एक तरह के
Resource हो.
रिसोर्स हो. इनफैक्ट ये तो बड़ा ओपन इस तरह में भी ये मैसेज इसमें भी है ना कि आप किसी फूड डिलीवरी सर्विस को देख लो तो मतलब आप यू यूज underpaid unemployed gig worker to basically do a logistics operation to move goods from a place A to place B for a very minimal sum in, say, the international standard for measuring poverty. And उसके बजाय में ना वो बंदा इंश्योर्ड होता है, वो probably बहुत ही ट्रैफिक आवर में भगा के बाइक पे आपका सामान move
हाँ,
करता
I'm
है.
so sorry, Raj,
That
but
actually reminds me, I also have
Yeah.
a food delivery coming soon, तो informal episode है.
Yeah. तो वही अब नहीं तेरे साथ भी एक बार हुआ था कि तू ऐसे अपनी किसी दोस्त से मिलने गया था और तेरे सामने ऐसे किसी फूड डिलीवरी ऐप वाले बंदे का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ ब्रूटल एक्सीडेंट बिकॉज द गाय लॉस्ट 2 of his fingers in front of Raj, and Raj apparently had to carry one of those fingers in his in his hands, and वो सबको हॉस्पिटल लेके गया. एंड इस फूड डिलीवरी ऐप के लोग आए और उन्होंने वो पूरी चीज़ ऐसे दबा दी एज इफ लाइक, यू नो, इट वाज नथिंग. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली उस बंदे की दोनों उंगलियां बच गई. they were able to save.
they were able to surgically
Yeah.
reattach it. I think हॉस्पिटल आप टाइम से पहुंच जाओ तो
Yeah.
आपकी फिंगर्स एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं. So I think they did have a guy to handle this on behalf of the food delivery app that I'm talking about. But there was one thing I realized was that there is not even like a basic insurance allotted to these people. In fact, मुझे लगता है कि हमारा फूड बिल शायद 3-4 रुपए बढ़ेगा. और जैसे एयरलाइंस में इंश्योरेंस का ऑप्शन आता है दैट पे सम मे बी एक्स्ट्रा 90 रुपीज़ एंड इंश्योर योर जर्नी फॉर लॉस्ट लगेज. रेलवे एक्सीडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो, यू नो, एवरी रेलवे टिकट हैज़ सम पैसे अलॉटेड टू रेलवे एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस. सो if for example there is a tragedy or a derailment of the train, so that's where the compensation comes from. तो मुझे लगता है इतनी छोटी चीज़ भी हम लोग इतने आदमी को डेंजर में डालने के बावजूद उसके लिए इंश्योर नहीं कर पा
और
रहे.
एक और है कि इन फूड डिलीवरी ऐप के ड्राइवर्स पे इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है कि ये लोग सबसे डेंजरस रास्ते लेंगे, सबसे लाइक, यू नो, इलीगल रास्ते लेंगे. एंड ऐसे ऐसे रूट्स लेंगे जहाँ से लाइक कोई नॉर्मल आदमी अपने 2 व्हीलर पे सोचेगा भी नहीं जाने का. तो दे आर लिटरली पुटिंग देयर लाइफ इन डेंजर सो दैट, यू नो, दे कैन गेट दैट 5-star रेटिंग. हम लोग चाइना को लेके बड़े क्रिटिकल होते हैं कि भाई वहाँ पे सोशल क्रेडिट का सिस्टम है, मगर एक तरीके से इन फूड से इन सारे डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस ने भी वो क्रेडिट सिस्टम कहीं ना कहीं इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया है कि आप उस रेटिंग के हिसाब से देखोगे कि बंदा अच्छा डिलीवरी बॉय है कि नहीं. अगर आप इफ़ यू लुक एट ऊबर एज वेल, लाइक ऊबर में भी वो पूरा स्टार सिस्टम आ ही गया है एक तरीके से. तो एट अ कॉर्पोरेट लेवल दीज थिंग्स हैव स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग. तो वाई डू वी व्यू चाइना एज अ डिस्टोपियन सोसाइटी व्हेन इट डज इट एट अ मास scale in order to, like, profile people, because it is already happening at a corporate level.
हाँ. वैसे बिकॉज मैं ऐसे अपने हम लोगों की इन्फॉर्मेशन को इररिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं रखना चाहता. ऑफिशियली ये जो फूड डिलीवरी सर्विसेज हैं, वी ऑल नो द बिग वंस, बट ये लोग अब क्लेम तो करते हैं कि ये लोग एक तरह का एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड करने लगे हैं. सो लेट्स बी लाइक फेयर टू देम. मैंने एक
Of
बार
course.
रीचेक भी किया अपना, और देयर आई
Of
रेड
course.
सम आर्टिकल्स अबाउट सम क्लेम सेटलमेंट्स हैविंग बीन पेड आल्सो. But I was also just sharing what I had experienced face to face. But I think this is all in some way related to uh, overt external pressure to just clock in a certain number of hours, or certain number of,
Absolutely.
let's just put it like this, certain number of hours for white collar workers and certain number of rupees for blue collar workers. Ki, if for that level of the workforce, we sometimes tend to get elitist also, कि हम लोग जो वर्क प्लेस रिफॉर्म होता है, हम लोग उस ऊबर ड्राइवर के बारे में सोच भी नहीं रहे जिसकी शायद 13-14 घंटे गाड़ी चलाने के बाद ही दिन के 800-900 या
हाँ, और
1200 रुपये
एक
होते हैं.
एक चीज़ मैं और बोल दूँ, ये जितने भी बिग फोर कंपनीज या जो भी लॉ फर्म्स जो भी है इधर उधर, ये पता है इनमें और फूड डिलीवरी वालों में एक और सिमिलैरिटी ज़रूर है कि आई थिंक मैं कुछ क्या बोलने वाला था कि इन पे आई लॉस्ट माय ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट वंस आई
चल,
रिमेंबर
if you remember it, let me
हाँ
know.
हाँ हाँ, तू आगे बढ़.
But yeah, I mean, मतलब मेरा simple take है यार, that who is going to create wealth and sustainable benefits or even welfare in an environment like this? You know
हाँ,
what I'm saying?
याद आ
इसमें
गया.
मैं last चीज़
हाँ.
यहाँ पे end करूँगा कि we live in a country where all our, and I'm not saying anything about the government or the country or the culture, but all our startups and everything is about, like today there's a new startup in Gurgaon. I saw that, it's get instant help in minutes. So it's all basic food delivery services, basic like cleaning services. It's not innovating. When people are not innovating, more and more people will get into these basic services.
It's like
इससे और लोग underemployed होते
it's
रहेंगे.
like how the Ottomans were first to figure out the steam technology, but that was only and only for a shawarma shop. It's like that. Anyway, so coming back to my
And I
first point.
hope I hope at least if that is in our luck, then I hope we discover some kind of technology out of this.
Yeah. Anyway, coming back to my first point, what I was trying to say was that चाहे जितने भी टियर वन जगहों पे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, फूड डिलीवरी में लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ये सारी जगहें उन लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सप्लॉइट करती है जिन पे किसी लेवल का डेस्परेशन है. सो at tier 1 places you can just take the economic situation 2-3 notches above, but in अगर तू उसको एक वाइडर सेंस से देखेगा तो वो बड़ी सिमिलर है.
अपनी ट्रेल ऑफ थॉट मत भूलिए, बहुत आयरॉनिक चीज हुई है, मेरी डिलीवरी आ गई है.
Dead eyes.
Yeah.
I think I have very animated eyes.
Yeah. So what I was saying was that a lot of times, most of these organizations, even the food delivery apps and all, they really exploit people who are in a very desperate situation. And even with these tier 1 places, like, you have a lot of people who are willing to go that extra step, not because they want to, but because they're in a position where they generally don't have any other option, and that is their way to, like, succeed by slave driving. I mean, I'm not taking away their hard work and their talent or anything like that. It's just that is where they see purpose, and, like, I mean,
Ulta,
Godspeed to them.
Just to add to that, I was watching an interview of somebody who's on a board of a very important private university where people go to do law. And I remember one of the persons on that podcast saying something that stuck with me. It was something to the extent of that, the fees of the institution is not cheap. So the implication in his statement was that it works out as an advantage to the companies that come to hire, that the law student is already in a precarious financial position,
Exactly.
so they can overwork the student. So you know, the blue collar exploitation is different. I
And the
would
white
say
collar
that
too.
even in white collar firms, there is a tendency to take advantage of the precarious financial position your employees are in. Many times, even you know, very high profile kind of roles have people who have credit card debt. Somebody has massive EMIs to pay for, and you know, that's almost like a trap, because
Some-
you can't even look for a pivot in your career there.
Yeah,
Sorry.
somebody has to build a temple in his village. So like, you know, all of these things like is like a major motivator
But हाँ,
for.
टेम्पल इन अ विलेज उतना सोशल थिंकिंग लोगों में कम होती है.
नहीं
मतलब
कुछ लोगों में होती है.
कुछ लोगों में होती है, बहुतों में नहीं होती है.
But yeah, so these are the things that are
मैं स्टैंडर्ड
exploited.
एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ,
Yeah.
EMI से I think
इमेजिन
ज़्यादा
भाई
लोग
एक
relate
वो
कर
वो
रहे हैं.
एक बंदा जो ऐसे टॉप फॉर्म वगैरह में है, बहुत बढ़िया पैसे कमा रहा है, वो भी मंदिर बनवा रहा है, और एक स्विगी वाला है वो भी जितने पैसे जोड़ के अपने लिए मंदिर बनवा रहा है. So yeah, I mean then comes spiritualism, भाई. I think a lot of these places also exploit spiritualism to an extent.
I don't see
हाँ
what
भाई,
you're
मैं
trying
तो
to.
कभी कभी मैंने देखा है HR पॉलिसीज में ऐसे डिस्कशन हो रही हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थ्योरीज की और डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज की, जहाँ पे वो बोल रहे हैं कि भाई भगवान ने ये किया था, या दैट पर्टिकुलर गॉड डिड दिस एंड दैट्स व्हाट शुड बी आवर मोटिवेशन. भाई मैंने तो ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें सुनी है कि जहाँ पे लोगों ने बोला
आपके
कि
आपके आपकी ड्यूटी टू योर कंपनी को आपके धर्म
धर्म जैसा
बना
बनाने की कोशिश करा, विच इज़ वेरी सैड बिकॉज देर आर नॉन हिंदूज इन द कंपनी एज वेल. तो भाई ये सब
नहीं
चीज़ें
मैं तो
बोल
नहीं, see I think that's okay. You know, we used to sing the Gayatri mantra very happily in school. There were
fair
obviously non-Hindus in the school also.
Fair enough.
What I'm trying to say is that you should not gaslight your employees into believing that this is their sole
Yeah.
purpose in life.
Of
Your
course.
employees are absolutely, they have very little skin in the game for your
Yeah.
company. They are very rarely equity shareholders. Some startups will maybe give people ESOPs, but
Yeah.
otherwise, you know, they are getting paid even a fair compensation. They are getting paid for very grueling, rigorous hours, and chances are most people
फेयर
aren't
कॉम्पनसेशन भी नहीं आती
very,
भाई
and
बहुत
most people
बार.
aren't even very passionate about
Yeah,
working
they
these
just
roles, you know. So
they're just doing it, and like, you know, I've realized, and after being in the workforce for the past 3.5 years now, it's been 3.5 years, I've realized one thing that bro, it's भाई कई बार मैंने देखा है सीनियर लोगों को बस लाइक यू नो हैव अ कंप्लीट मेल्टडाउन बिकॉज उन पे इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है. वो बोलते हैं कि भाई, एंड लाइक यू नो इट्स लाइक ऑलवेज डूम कॉलिंग. आई हैव सीन इट इन अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस, एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस हैज हैपेंड टू मी, बट मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया. ऐसी चीज़ें बोलेंगे कि भाई अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि कोई और जगह बेटर है तो तुम बहुत बहुत गलत हो, सारी जगहें ऐसी हैं. इट्स लाइक यू नो टाइप कास्टिंग एवरी प्लेस एंड ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू शो दैट वेर एवर यू आर राइट नाउ इट्स द बेस्ट फॉर यू,
right.
even though the person who is facing that or experiencing that, he might or she might or they might totally disagree.
Yeah.
And this is a very very common bhai, matlab,
Ma.
and I don't think it's got anything to do with the salary also, because I have seen people earning a lot of money, and like I'm talking 30 LPA, 35 LPA, ठीक है, 45 LPA, and even after that they're not being able to save anything. So imagine staying in a city like Bombay.
Yeah.
You have to pay your rent, you're making so much money, but तुम्हारी savings 5,000 आ रही है.
In Bombay, even the not so ultra high profile places have 70,000 in rents which need to
हाँ
be paid
भाई.
for 2 BHKs. So I think another important topic that you have brought about unconsciously, Jay, is that the
नहीं, I
ability-
segued into that
Yeah,
intentionally.
fair. Okay, my bad. But I mean, I really want to stick on to this, is what I'm saying, because because of the expenses and a persistent rise in the cost of living, the savings can get withered away in like minutes. You know, like you are not saving for that, you know, old school working class dream that, but when I retire, I'll have a big house with 2 children. You know, even like you can spend a reasonable amount of time, not too much amount of time, in Delhi and Gurgaon, and try to go slightly above the basics, and you won't realize how quickly you can even wash off like 1 crore rupees.
I saw
Like even
post
1 crore isn't
बिल्कुल
enough.
enough. हाँ हाँ. आजकल मैं कहीं पढ़ रहा था कि 1 crore is not rich anymore.
Dude,
There was-
it
it's
really
not-
isn't.
मतलब अगर किसी की सैलरी भी 1 crore की होगी, which is like a council level salary at a tier 1 law firm, that is not enough apparently if you're living in a tier 1 city
Yeah.
like Bombay or Delhi.
Yeah.
तो क्या करेगा बंदा भाई, लाइक यू नो इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड वो तभी समझ में आता है जब आप बाहर निकलो. अभी आई जस्ट रेंटेड एन अकोमोडेशन फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई कैन सी हाउ ग्रूलिंग इट कैन गेट. लाइक लिटरली बहुत हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. तो बट सही है ब्रो, वो इट इज़ लाइक अ वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजी एंड वो स्ट्रगल एक चीज़ है जो हमेशा कंटिन्यू करती रहेगी.
At the
Again,
cost,
not trying to justify it, but we have no other option.
at the cost of trying to sound like some expert who has very great macroeconomic insights, I do think that now we are in like a trap, because the only way so many people in the workforce can get out of it, or India is the population heavy country hai na, that even very skilled talented workforce is very easy to find. So the number of people who are talented and underemployed or dissatisfied with the jobs so significantly outweighs our economy's ability to create satisfactory outcomes which are high paying, which are good, which create good outcomes. Now I'm not saying that we take a pessimistic touch. There is an opportunity here, but वो मतलब हमेशा नहीं रहेगी, you know,
नहीं रहेगी.
like आपको बहुत जल्दी बहुत
अब
सारे
मैं तेरे
bold
को
reforms
बिल्कुल.
करने
और
पड़ेंगे.
मेरे को मैं एक और एग्जांपल दूंगा. मैं मेरा एक दोस्त है अभी यूके में, उसने काम करना शुरू करा है भाई. जब मैंने उसको बताया कि मेरे आवर्स 9.5 घंटे के होते हैं भाई, उस बहुत चक्कर है. क्या बोलते हैं 9.5 hours, oh my god, I just clock in like 7.5 hours and I'm done. भाई तो मतलब दुनिया में लोग एफिशिएंट होने का तरीका कैसे भी निकाल सकते हैं. तो अगर आप अपने बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ ये भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है कि उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैनुअल कर रखी हैं. उन्होंने अभी तक लेटेस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह इंप्लीमेंट नहीं करी है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो अभी भी एक्सट्रीमली पेपर सेंट्रिक है. तो जो काम तू आराम से एक पीडीएफ पे बैठ के कर सकता है इन लाइक 15 to 20 minutes, उसके लिए तेरे को बैठ के फाइल बनानी पड़ेगी. फाइल पे तेरे को फ्लैग्स लगाने पड़ेंगे और उसको अच्छी तरीके से प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. तो फिर क्या होगा कि जो चीज़ तू बहुत जल्दी कर सकता था ऑन अ डिजिटाइज प्लेटफॉर्म, यू डूइंग इट मैनुअली ड्यू टू विच मोर टाइम इज बीइंग कंज्यूम्ड.
हाँ, और मुझे लगता है अगर हम लोग इंडिया में चाइना से मैच अप करने की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं, तो आई थिंक हम लोगों को जैसे नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को अडेप्ट करने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना चाहिए. यू नो, आई थिंक जैसे अब तो मे बी देर वॉज अ टाइम पीपल वुड हैव कंसिडर्ड लाइक यूरोपियंस अ ग्लोबल सुपर पावर. माई व्यू इज दैट, यू नो, द एग्जाम्पल दैट यूर गिविंग ऑफ द UK, I think 7 hours is a little too less. That's why that's part of the reason
I was
why.
being sarcastic.
Yeah, no.
It's an informal.
But you know, part of the reason why so many European economies started struggling was the fact that they had such heavy social security with very little, you know, productive output in the
हाँ,
economy.
वो भी एक एक्सट्रीम है जो हो सकता है. वो
Yeah,
भी एक
so-
एक्सट्रीम है जो हो सकता है.
So you know, now big tech dominates the economies of the world, and big tech is just the Silicon Valley tech giants and China. So you know, there is no other like camp in the big tech world at the moment. So if you aspire to even be a counterbalance to any of these powers in the world, you can't, you know, do things in a way. You can't maybe be teaching people basic Google searching when you've moved on to a time where everybody is learning AI
prompts,
for those things. You know, it's just
absolutely.
a very basic example. but
बिल्कुल
it is
सच
the
बात
idea.
है. यही है. और भाई टू कंक्लूड माई थॉट्स, मैं एक फाइनल चीज़ कहूँगा कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम लोग एक बैलेंस इस्टेब्लिश करें ताकि वर्किंग डज नॉट बिकम सो डिस्टोपियन. बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर दिस मूवी कॉल्ड द सीक्रेट लाइफ ऑफ वॉल्टर मिटी, एंड इन दैट द मेन कैरेक्टर is also doing a corporate job. I would recommend that movie.
And
Everyone
it's
should
a
watch it.
job that is going out of fashion.
Yeah, and
because
वो
in the time of digital camera,
exactly.
he's a print and
yes,
face kind
and
of photographer.
वो जब भी अपने ऑफिस में घुसता है तो अचानक से सब कुछ ग्रेश हो जाता है. तो द जनरल कलर टेम्पलेट दैट्स यूज्ड इज ग्रे. सो दैट इज सिमिलर टू अ लॉट ऑफ यू नो वर्क प्लेसेस in today's India, unfortunately, and a lot of people are
Movie
facing
has
it.
a beautiful ending though.
Yeah,
It's
it has.
great movie.
I hope Indians and all the people working in India also get that ending. Yeah, it has Ben Stiller. It has Ben Stiller in it. So yeah, yes. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us again. It was a short and sweet episode. I thought Raj and I will sit down, do an informal conversation / rant about the things that we've been experiencing for the past few years. And Raj, what are your concluding thoughts?
My concluding thoughts are: see, I think I have a very high opinion of myself. So
You need to cut
Yeah.
that though.
no, I don't think I
नहीं
do.
तेरे को करना पड़ेगा
नहीं,
anyway.
अच्छा, I have a very high opinion of myself. So I have this weird arrogance that everything that I talk about in this podcast can have valuable lessons for the country. And in that, I do think that we need to unlock a lot of locked potential in India, which can only be done with bold reforming. We need to change the working environment. We need to modernize. नहीं तो अगर actually we want to become a 10% plus growing economy, which is the need of the hour, because there's so many people who have to be fed. So these bold reforms need to be made.
सही है चलो
All right, chalo.
with that, and I think I agree with Raj to a certain extent, but his cockiness sometimes gets really annoying where he totally does not consider your opinion at all because he thinks whatever he's talking
Thank
about
you.
is correct.
Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you
Love
so much. Bye. I love you,
Please
man.
subscribe,
Please subscribe.
share, like.